So many of you know Neil built this aquaponic, beautiful aquaponics, and he had ideas and things in mind as to what he was going to do with it. And I kept asking Neil, I need herbs to cook with. I need basil and sage and rosemary and tarragon and many more. And in 2 weeks' time, he has transformed this aquaponic into a beautiful nursery of herbs, and they're all happy. They're all just enjoying rafting, rafting on the river. Look at this, incredible, just incredible. And these are all pots that are coming up, different things. Lettuce is one. Here we go. Look at this assortment of herbs. Neil is incredible. When he puts his mind to something, he has a vision and he has determination. Anything is possible, including my herb garden. Thank you, Neil. Neil's planting, dividing some of the plants that got big. And
so we found a local. Oh wow, this is really nicely root bound, so it's ready to be moved into a
basil, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
regular basil. Wow. So got this incredible nursery that's exporting herbs, and they've allowed me to come and purchase from their nursery side of their plants, and it's really healthy stuff that I can actually so easily divide.
And organic as well.
And organic. Well, not totally organic, but it will be organic here because I'm using my hydroponics. So I'm using my fish, the swordtails and the koi in the pond lower down to fertilize. So all the fish poo gets pumped up. Ooh, this basil smells fantastic. Gets pumped up into this hydroponic tank, and then the water cascades back down. And as these roots will develop, they'll hang into the water and then filter out all the nitrates from the fish manure and fertilize my plants. So it's a closed loop aquaponic system.
And the pond with the fish is down there. So these are all different aspects of Neil's vision, and look at that. Wow.